Okay, boys, welcome back to the regular life, a regular day in search of the wontons, the best one in Dubai. We ended up in international city today, and this is the China cluster. Everything's Chinese, so many Chinese small restaurants, and we are going to Chongqing. I think that's the one. They have the wontons. Somebody said it's the best one. Wait, Naman, what you doing? You wanna die on the streets of international city?
I know.
Yeah, this one is Chongqing. Now where we have to find the door. There it is. Why is here for only this thing? Let's see how good this is.
There's a photo pala. Hindi naman pang professional. Pang Facebook.
You need to mix it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the spices are under there. And they are making it fresh there, inside. मुझे डर है कि मेरी शर्ट पे जा रहा सारा. मैं इसलिए जो है ना थोड़ा आराम से कर रहा हूँ. My boy is from India, right? कहाँ कौन सी जगह से हो?
Mainly
हाँ.
Indian.
कौन सिटी मुंबई दिल्ली. आपका नाम क्या है? सोहेल राणा. हाँ इधर आओ ना सोहेल राणा. The famous one and only Sohail Rana from India. Let's try this. This thing looks good. It's hot, I think. Hey, move it here.
Kala ko lang pinagi. May gaya ng danda.
This is it.
You found it? Get your license na so you can eat here anytime you want.
Everything ends with license.
You know we pay taxi is 2-1 per Oh.
This is the best. I don't use chopsticks. I don't know how. Look at
You
this
have to
thing.
practice.
Hey, from this side. Hey. And it's spicy. It's level 2. They have 3 levels also. 1 is regular, 2 is like this, and 3rd is you cannot eat. Then you have this more if you want more spicy. I'll add some more on top. There is peanuts in it. Here. They have beef also? Beef slices. The good thing is it's fresh.
This one I buy to get one free.
Nice.
Yeah, but
Only
we're
one?
going out.
One.
We cannot eat it.
Okay.
Cannot take it out.
Okay, so we done there and then we went to this shop, ice cream shop. We had ice creams over there. There are so many kinds and these are so good ice creams. I had chocolate premium, right? It's from China or it's from Korea? I'm not sure also, but there is some kind of discount as well going on. 30% off if you buy things, whatever. We are here for one time only. Did I have to get subscription?
No, you just follow them. They give you 20%.
You have to follow them and they give you 20% discount. We are almost in the desert right now. We're going to, look at this.
Academics.
That's the University of Birmingham, Dubai, my hometown. We are going to Outlet Mall right now. That's almost desert. And there will be Yeezys on 50% off.
How will you know?
It's
They
there
don't
already.
sell Yeezy on outlets.
They have it.
Let's see.
There's a full counter of Yeezy. We'll show you also. Let's see. So about the wonton, these are the best wonton I have had in Dubai so far. It's so good. Everything was fresh, and you can actually see in the kitchen they are cooking over there. So that means It's like the only good option I have right now in Dubai. Because when you go to Dubai Mall, sorry Dubai Mall, but the thing is, sorry Nanaman, the thing is not fresh. Then
Plus a lot
it's
of
oily.
oily.
Yeah, it's oily.
Plus, always not
Yeah.
available.
Even the one in Al Rega, what's the name? In Al Ghurair Mall?
They
The
don't
kitchen
have,
something.
They don't have the manual.
Oh, what happened? We are at Calvin Klein, which I don't like. So even the one in Ghurair is not good.
She's telling me she told you no he's here.
Yeah. I told her there will be.
They left me there. You and Tonton have the same
So I
cake,
got
right?
these white ones, these ones. I have the black ones and the gray ones. How much you said again? How much is it? 500?
549.
549.
Yung
Yeah.
kanan na nga lang, kuya. Feeling
These
ko
are
yung
good.
kanan ko yung mas malaki.
No?
Try mo lang sa
You go New Balance. That's what you like. You are not made for Yeezy. You are made for New
No, kasi
Balance.
there's a...
All the wires are Belkin wires are the best. I'll tell you this. I have 3 of these in different places. You know how much expensive this card is? It's just 256. It's 1500 dirhams.
Wait.
Check this face. She got this. The birthday is in a week.
Please na, picture mo na ako.
I said this is her birthday gift. Okay, we are back now. And there's the TV running behind me. It's the same show where they complain about stuff. Last time I was telling you about this thing, right? This speaker here. So when you keep this straight here, there's a problem. But I put it upside down like this. Now I think it's better. There's no dropouts in the speakers on the back. Why are you always this loud?
Ah, that's how we talk, sorry. Talking to my mother. Huh? We're just talking.